We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. This one is in Wicked Red and Twisted Cherry. So we've got the dual disc brakes in the front. This bike is set up with ABS front and rear as well. 107 Milwaukee 8 engine. We have rider and passenger floorboards, front and rear engine guards, locking saddlebag and top case with a luggage rack on top for more options. We also have a heel toe shifter and a nice tall windshield. Speakers for the passenger, and there's also speakers up front that face backwards for everybody. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.